俺は、あ、そうだ。やばい、このままじゃ自動販売機が危ない。
Okay, we're live. Hello. Today we have something very exciting. A tier list. I just came back from Tokyo, Japan. I'm wearing the cool jacket. When I was over there, I saw a lot of vending machines. I got 40 items, so 40 pictures of vending machines. I'm going to rank them. Hopefully it'll be funny. Okay, we're starting off with this lovely number. Whoa, very nice. It's got some things that I like, some things that I don't like. You'll notice we have 120 yen Dr. Pepper. That's pretty good. That's like 90 cents. This was, I believe, on the street.